let's talk about the popular Clarins Double Serum. Got this one back in May, I believe. Around September, they did reformulate, or it might have been August, so do keep that in mind. Got this product, one, because it was very popular and a lot of people did like it, so I said, okay, why not give it a try? I actually got it on a 50% discount, so I wasn't spending too much. Two, whenever I was using it, it is a very lightweight formula, and it is a little bit like an oil consistency that quickly absorbs into your skin and applies nicely under makeup, and it keeps your skin very well hydrated. Another pro, and the reason why I said, okay, let me get it, is because you can use this at a morning and at evening, 2-in-1 sort of situation. This is said you can put in your face and in your neck. My only thing with this product is that it makes me break out. It was the only product I was also putting in my neck. That area was also breaking out. I didn't get this with the intent of doing it before and after, so I'm just gonna put the video of me unboxing it here so you can kind of compare what I looked back then to now. Now note, it's been some months and obviously I have aged. While this product is popular and I do like some items from Clarins, I just won't be finishing this one or repurchasing it, and I'm not even gonna try that lightweight formula that they have out for this one now.